Alright guys, this is lesson 4 on trigonometry. In today's lesson we're going to look at the tangent, trigonometric ratios and how to find their lengths and angles.
Okay, now this question is asking me to draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram to show the following information. Okay, now what is a stem and leaf diagram? It's a way of representing this information here in a table. Okay, now this is what a finished stem and leaf diagram looks like. Okay, these are the stems and all of these are the leaves. Now the important thing to remember is that these leaves, okay, can only be single digit numbers and they have to be in order, as you can see, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0, 3, 5, 7. Okay, always in order. This key over here is also very important because this key shows how to read the table. Okay, for example, it says 20 means 20. I know this 0 here is actually 20 and not 0. Okay, so the key shows us how to read off that table. We're now going to look at how we went from this information here down to this stem and leaf diagram. Okay. Now before I can get to my final ordered stem and leaf diagram, I'm going to do a rough version first. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing out an empty stem and leaf diagram. I then need to decide what my stems are going to be. Now to decide that, I need my smallest number and my largest number. The smallest number is 12, therefore the stem is 1. The largest number is 38, therefore the stem is 3. And then I put in my missing stem, which is 2. Okay, now I need to focus on the leaves. Now I'm not concerned with what order I put the leaves in just yet, because this is my rough version of the stem and leaf diagram. Okay, so I start with my first number, which is 12, cross it out. 12, the stem is 1, so I'll put a 2 where the 1 is the stem. 35, 3 is the stem. 23, 2 is the stem. 27, 2 is the stem. 38, 3 is the stem, and so on. Okay, 2 is the stem, 1 is the stem. 14, so 1 is the stem. 15, so 1 is the stem. 38, 3 is the stem. 36, 3 is the stem. 32, 3 is the stem again. 19, 1 is the stem. 20, 2 is the stem. And 34, okay, 3 is the stem. I have now used every piece of information that the question has given me, and I have put it in an unordered stem and leaf diagram. Okay, so it's not in order. I now need to draw another stem and leaf diagram. Okay, this is my proper stem and leaf diagram, which I'm going to put in order. Again, my stems remain the same, 1, 2 and 3. I am just going to put them numbers in order. Okay, so the first stem, okay, in order will be 2, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Then same numbers, okay, that I put in before, I am just putting them in the correct order. Okay, second stem, 0, 3, 5, 7. Okay, and the last one, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 8. Okay, extend my table to make sure all the numbers have fitted in. Alright, I have now got my ordered stem and leaf diagram. I don't need my rough one anymore, so I cross that out. Okay, just so my proper answer doesn't get mixed up with my rough answer. Okay, now looking at the success criteria, okay, what have I done? Numbers placed in order in the diagram, yes, we've done that. The correct number of values in the diagram, yes, we used every piece of information that was given to us at the start. The last thing we need to do is make a key. Okay, so I will write key. I'll pick one of the values from my stem and leaf. I usually would pick the first one. So 1, 2 means 12. Okay, now this question, okay, the units are minutes. So you need to write 1, 2 means 12 minutes. Alright, that is my key. Draw a box around your key, and that is the question done. Right, next question. Again asked to draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram to show the following information. This time we're looking at height of pupils in a school, and the units are centimeters. Okay, centimeters. Again, I'm going to start by drawing a rough stem and leaf diagram first. I need to know what my stems are, so I need my smallest and largest numbers. My smallest number is 173. Remember, leaves can only have one digit, so 173, that means my stem is 17. Okay, my largest number is 195, so my stem is 19, and then my missing stem will be 18. Okay, again, moving on to the leaves. Again, I'm not going to focus on the order, I just need to get all the information in. So start with the first one, 176. 17 is the stem, so 6 will go there. 184, 18 is the stem, so 4 will go there. 191, 19 is the stem, so 1 will go there, and so on. So 174, 4 will go there. 195, 5 will go there. 183, 3 will go there. 189, 9 will go there. 175, 5 will go there. 181, 1 will go there. 192, 2 will go there. 176, 6 will go there. 180, 0 will go there. 173, 3 will go there. 184, 4 will go there. 192, 2 will go there. And 176, 17 is the stem. Okay, so I've put my leaves in the correct place where their stems are. I have now used every piece of information that was given to me. I now need to put this in a ordered stem and leaf diagram. Okay, my stems remain the same. Okay, 17, 18, 19. All I am doing is putting the leaves in correct order. So for where the stem is 17, I will have 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6. 18, I will have 0, 1, 3, 4, 4, 9. And for 19, I will have 1, 2, 2, and 5. Okay, I have now got my ordered stem and leaf diagram. I don't need my rough version anymore, so I cross it out. Okay, now I have ordered my stem and leaf diagram. The only thing missing is the key. Okay, so I will draw my key so we know how to read off the diagram and what each number represents. So 17/3 means 173. Now remember, we are dealing with height, so the units are centimeters. So put in centimeters, okay? And then draw a box around my key. Okay, I have drawn my ordered stem and leaf diagram. I've now got 4 questions over here that I need to answer. Question number 1, what is the tallest pupil's height? Well, that's going to be over here. Okay, the largest number in my stem and leaf diagram. So remember, this number here is not 5, it is 195. Okay, so the tallest student's height is 195 centimeters. Next question, how many pupils are taller than 185 centimeters? Okay, so again, there's 180, 181, 183, 184. Okay, from this point onwards, I need to count how many students there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students are taller than 185 centimeters. Okay, next bit, I need to know how many are shorter than 180. So there's 180, we want shorter than 180. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 pupils are shorter than 180. Last question, how many pupils are there in the group? I just count my information. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so there are 16 pupils in the group all together.
About set 3 and 4, you need to complete all the questions that are on this PowerPoint slide and upload your answers on class charts.